Sometimes we talk about the spirit of Jezebel, but we fail to mention the spirit of Athaliah. Now, when we say spirit, we're not talking about that person's actual spirit. We're talking about a demon that carries the same traits and characteristics as these people. Now, Athaliah, some of you have heard me talk about her before in videos. My notes, I'm going to go from that. I want you to hear me, and I want you to hear me very carefully, okay? Athaliah is from the line of Jezebel. I mean, she's real wicked. Now, the spirit of Athaliah is one of spirit of ambition and control. Okay, when you take a look at the story of Athaliah, it displays the dangers of unchecked ambition and the desire to control at all costs. You remember the children, what she was wanting to do. You remember that, right? When you take a look, the other one is the spirit of idolatry and apostasy. Athaliah introduced and promoted the worship of Baal in Judah, turning the people's hearts away from God. This reflects how idolatry can basically slap you out of the way. I want you to understand that. Okay? And you take a look at Athaliah's leadership. It was ungodly. The spirit of Athaliah displays ungodly leadership. All right? I mean, it is a force to be reckoned with. The spirit of Athaliah, much like the spirit of Jezebel, typically yearns to use women, though it can use men. I want to say that it can use men, okay, but it does use women a lot more just because of the structure of it. This is something that you have to understand. Now, I've done other videos on Athaliah. You can go to my page and find those. I'm thinking about doing a YouTube video off of it, so I did some studies on her. Hopefully, I might write a book too, Lord willing, in the future about different spirits. But, whenever you notice this spirit is starting to move, you have to go against it, all right? You have to go against it, and you have to break it off. So keep that in mind. If you like content like this, you can follow for more as always. The deadline's about 4 days away. This month, we're doing a 3-day class teaching on jumpstarting your 2025, breaking gluttony, lust, anxiety, as well as a lot more also prophetic development.